If your bathroom counter looks like a tiny pharmacy, a bottle for your vitamin D, a bottle for your magnesium, a bottle for your zinc, this is built to replace pretty much all of it with 1 ounce a day. And there's one thing about how this is made that I didn't expect to actually matter, and I'll get to that in a minute here. So let's go over the Drucker Labs intraMAX. I'll cover what's actually in it and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So intraMAX is a liquid daily multivitamin. That's what it is at its core. 1 bottle, and you drink it instead of swallowing a handful of pills. And this is the 32-ounce bottle in peach mango. It's organic, non-GMO, dairy-free, and gluten-free with no stimulants and no artificial colors. There's also an unflavored version if you don't want any added sweetness. Okay, so let's talk about what's actually in this. So there is quite a lot in here, so we're not gonna go over every single thing in here, but I'll give you the gist of it here. So the headline here is 415 plus nutrients in a single serving, vitamins, trace minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes. And here are just a few of the ones that are worth calling out here. So we have fulvic acid, organically sourced, part of the base formula, and it's a naturally sourced trace mineral complex that acts like a carrier. It helps your body actually take in and move the rest of the nutrients around. And this is the part that makes intraMAX a little different from a standard multivitamin. Then we have, of course, standard vitamins like vitamin D included that are really important that a lot of people don't take and a lot of people don't get enough vitamin D of, and it's really important. And this is the basic immune and bone support a lot of people, run low on, especially useful if you're not getting, that much sun. And then of course you have all your standard vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, magnesium. All of those are included in here along with a bunch of other different vitamins, minerals that you normally don't get in a lot of other different multivitamins. So let's just have a look at the label here. So there's a nice front label, the 415 essential nutrients, that peach mango flavor, and here are the supplement facts. So at the very top here, 1 fluid ounce, servings per container, 32. So a full month's supply here. So there's all the vitamins that you get, your standard vitamins. What's interesting, as we move down here and onto the side, we gotta have our proprietary blends of a lot of these different things. Let's go even closer. So you can see proprietary carbon bond organic elements and nutrients matrix here. And then we have the proprietary immune and wellness support matrices. And then we have a bunch others right up here as well. Immune system strength, development and response matrix, blood sinus, neurological, cellular, circulatory, and gastrointestinal health matrix. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 others. So this is incredibly comprehensive. So you can just you see you have things like oat grass up here. Go on the other side here, some of the vegetables. You have like asparagus shoots, beets, cabbage, the seeds. You have, apple pectin, beet fiber, fennel. So it's really loaded up here. So this is way more comprehensive than even, your fully packed multivitamin. Okay, so here's the thing I mentioned at the start. So intraMAX uses what they call a carbon bond or intra-cell technology. They bind the nutrients to carbon molecules so your body treats them more like whole food than a supplement, which is meant to help everything absorb better. So whether or not you geek out on that, the practical version is simple. It's a liquid, so there's nothing for your body to break down, the way it would a tablet. And that's really the whole pitch behind, taking vitamins in liquid form here. And having that carbon bond is really important because with a lot of supplements, you just don't absorb a lot of them. It's not how many supplements you can shuttle into your body, it's how much you can absorb. Of course, anything you ingest like this, the tablets, or anything, you're not gonna absorb 100% of everything. That's just impossible to absorb all of it and for your body to actually use all of it. But this gives it a better chance of using all these ingredients in here. Now, as far as taking this and having any issues, because some people have issues with just standard multivitamins, you're gonna wanna take this. Personally, I would take this after I eat food. Multivitamins oftentimes have issues. I have issues with my stomach when I have them on an empty stomach. So when you're ingesting a lot of multivitamins like this, it's always good to have it after some food. And also, like with any supplement, you always need to give it time. Give it at least a month to see how it does. And it's, it's a multivitamin still. It's not going to completely transform your life. It's supposed to, aid your just body and just giving it the nutrients it needs, the nutrients that it doesn't get from daily food. So just keep that in mind. It takes some time, and this isn't going to, you're not going to all of a sudden feel 100 times better. You're not going to wake up, just feeling energized for 12 hours. Okay, and then the taste of this. The taste of this is actually pretty solid for something that has so many vitamins. You know, it doesn't taste like a treat or anything like that. The peach mango flavor is good. I'll give it like a 7.8 on the taste scale. So it's not something I love taking, but it's definitely, I don't have problems taking it. I don't dread it. I'm like, oh, I have to drink this stuff. And it's only 1 ounce at a time here. And you can also mix this with other things as well. So you can get the unflavored version and you can mix it with any type of juice and you just won't even know it's there. So you really don't have to take it by itself. But really, no problem tasting this. Again, 7.8 out of 10 on the taste scale. Okay, so who is this actually for? So if you hate swallowing pills or you just gag on those horse pill multivitamins, a liquid you can drink solves that completely. And if you're currently buying 5 or 6 separate supplement bottles, this is designed to consolidate a lot of that into 1 daily ounce. It's also really popular with older adults, easier to take, easier to absorb, and with families since there's a sweetened flavor version that kids tend to prefer. And this is also for people who want better absorption. Again, liquid form and having that carbon bond really does help, and a lot of supplements don't have that, so it doesn't absorb as well. Okay, so who is this not for? So if you want to know the exact milligram dose of every single nutrient inside the supplement, this isn't that. As you saw, there are a ton of supplements on the back in those kind of proprietary blends, so you're not knowing exactly how much of each are in this. And this is on the more premium side. Again, it's aimed to replace all your multivitamins, so all you need is this if you value that just convenience as well as just getting even more nutrients than other multivitamins, then this is definitely something you'll want to check out. So on the plus side here, you get 415 plus nutrients in a single ounce. Being a liquid makes it easy to take, easy to stomach, and the taste is actually good. 1 ounce a day means a bottle lasts about a month. It's organic, non-GMO, with no preservatives, the kind of thing people stick with long-term and keep reordering. And again, you are taking a lot of vitamins in this than you normally would, so I would actually take a little bit less than an ounce to give your body an adjustment period. And again, take it after food. On an empty stomach, it could cause, some stomach issues. I tried a full ounce on an empty stomach, which I shouldn't have for the first time, and that did upset my stomach a little bit, but that's to be expected. Again, you're ingesting a lot of nutrients with this. But once I had it with food, it was not an issue at all, and I haven't had any problems since. But of course, this will depend on your digestive system. Some just multivitamins just don't sit well with people, so you just have to try it for yourself to see if this is tolerable for your stomach. So here's the bottom line. The intraMAX isn't trying to be the cheapest multivitamin. It's trying to be the easiest to take and the most complete and the most absorbable, and this pretty much nails it. So if those are the things that you value, then this is absolutely a multivitamin worth checking out.